हाँ बोलो।
वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ मॉम एंड शेफ्स किचन। आज मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ हमूस। आप सब जानते हैं हमूस क्या है। बहुत पॉपुलर मिडिल ईस्टर्न डिप है। इसे आप टीवी देखते हुए, मूवी देखते हुए, सैलेड के साथ, ब्रेड के साथ एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। आज हम सीखेंगे बेसिक हमूस और उसकी वेराइटीज। ओके, तो इसके लिए फर्स्ट आई शो यू द इंग्रेडिएंट्स। मेन इंग्रेडिएंट है चिकपीस, सेसमी सीड्स, तिल। तो सबसे पहले गार्लिक, हाफ लेमन जूस, वाटर, सॉल्ट। पहले वाटर डाल दीजिए मिक्सी में, उसमें गार्लिक, बिकॉज पहले आई विल ब्लेंड गार्लिक। सी आई हैव टेकन 5-6 cloves of garlic. These are thick ones, and because I have a full bowl full of chickpeas, this is roughly 1 cup full of sesame seeds. You get roasted sesame paste also, ready paste in the market. First I grind, known as tahina, garlic and sesame seeds in water. Using an easier this thing, I'm using sesame seeds which are easily available. I'll add chickpeas to it. This much is enough to begin with. I will add some lime juice, salt as per taste, some namak shamak, and olive oil. Olive oil we can add later also. And now I'll grind it once again. Now we'll take out this hummus in the plate. This plate is generally used in Middle East for serving hummus, garlic paste, and other salad dips. So, see, just move it around like this. You can see the consistency is so good. This is basic hummus. I will tell and request Ayush to show you how to make the varieties and how to eat it with the accompaniments. Please come, Ayush.
Welcome guys. Now let's continue. As you can see, mom has already made or grinded the hummus, and she has already added all the ingredients. You can see the consistency, it is pretty thick. Some things I will share with you are different varieties. Now hummus is basically just ground chickpeas with salt, lime and garlic. Okay, you can add your own varieties, any flavors that you like. You can add jalapenos, you can make it jalapeno hummus. You can add coriander and cumin, you can make coriander and cumin hummus. If you like more European flavors, you can add sun-dried tomato, roasted beetroot, different varieties that you can use to make different flavor hummus dips for your basically movie time snacks or just munching while you're doing work. So the whole concept behind this was to bring food to your table that you can use while you're sitting at home without doing too much of an effort. The shelf life of hummus is usually 2 to 3 days if you do not use lemon juice and instead you are able to find lemon salt, or you do not add lemon juice at all while blending your hummus. Then you can make it go for 4 to 5 days. If you add lemon juice, then it is about 2 days. You can do something, you can keep your lemon juice and a little bit of olive oil separate. You can take batches, you can add the lemon juice, the olive oil and mix this hummus together. It's will bring back this same taste. So that will do is it will save the big batch for maybe 4 to 5 days. And we all know nobody wants to sit and boil chickpeas every 2 days and make hummus again and again. So over here, as you can see, we have something called coriander hummus. Here has been blended with coriander, cumin and garlic. So you can see the color, it's bright green, and believe me, it is like a chickpea chutney. It tastes very nice. You can add green chilies if you like spicy also. So this is just as an example we made for you. Now we will show you how to do the basic plating of hummus. Okay, you take this. I will use this bowl. put all your ingredients in the center. Okay, so made basically like a round. Now I will take a smaller spoon. I will go around the edges. Okay, I have brought it together. Now you can see like playing with clay. Now I will just press it down and inside I will push. This is one way. Okay, or you can just push here and you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. You can make designs on it. Okay, now in the center you can throw olive oil, you can throw some chickpeas. Now I'll show you another style. You flatten it out. Okay, again push everything little bit down. Let's keep this away. Push everything little down. Other style is you can just make simple lines if you don't know how to be too much into artwork. Then the other thing you can do is just in the center put your spoon and go 1, 2, 3, and push it across the sides. Basically the whole concept of eating hummus is taking bread and dipping it and scooping it together. Like how we eat sabji with roti, we scrape up the sabji. Similar way you're supposed to eat hummus. So now I will go back to the original way that we did, the first one, because I like that most. What that does is that gives you a bucket for your ingredients. So here I made again I will show you. I pushed all the chickpea inside. That's done. I will take here in about an inch gap. And now I will take a small teaspoon. This is normal hummus. To show you how to do garnishing, here you can see I have a cucumber. You can see I have cut the cucumber, not completely, just made these marks. Okay, I will dip it in a little bit of water to get the surface wet. Here I have chili powder. You can also use paprika. This you will take, dip the cucumber, shake it off lightly, and see, that is one style. Other style is you take a fork, same way, dip it in water, make sure you have it everywhere but not too much. You can 1, again 2. Okay, these are your normal garnishes. Throw in some chickpeas. If you have some fresh mint leaves, throw in mint leaves. Generous amount of olive oil. To this, now I will show you another variety. It's called hummus Beiruti. Now hummus Beiruti, if you know, Beirut is in Lebanon. Hummus Beiruti is basically Beirutin style of making hummus. Here in this bowl, I have some chopped capsicum, can be green chilies also, parsley, onion and tomatoes. If you saw our coriander hummus, it looks blended. Hummus Beiruti, there are two styles to make it. One is to take the normal hummus and throw in all these condiments on top. The second way is to take all these condiments and while making the hummus you blend in parsley and you mix these condiments together and then you prepare it. So but we are going to show you on topping normal how to do it. So here I will take the tomatoes. I throw in the tomatoes. the onions and the parsley and the capsicum. This is hummus beruti. Like I said, you can use green chili also. In some recipes they use green chili in this. This is your third variety, hummus beruti. So we showed you today coriander hummus, normal hummus and hummus beruti. Now how to eat hummus? Here we have cut some vegetable sticks, all of similar sizes. These can be used to dip in and eat the hummus. Then here I have made a dip for you. This is a cream cheese, yogurt and the same vegetables that I put inside the hummus beruti I put over here. These are good to take on your bread with your vegetable spoon, apply and you can eat. Along with that we have some olives. This is perfect for watching your cricket match, for your football match, to sit, but at the same time, it is healthy and it uh, does not really kill you with calories. Hummus is chickpeas, and chickpeas, they have a lot of health benefits. At the same time they are very filling. You will not feel like extremely hungry after eating all this also, and it's a very balanced meal. So back to mummy part of the mummy chef, and I would like to call mummy back again, and so she will give you the closing comments. Thank you.
I hope you all enjoyed this variety of hummus. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to show you how Ayush has told you how to enjoy it. Now I'm going to enjoy it. Yes, I'll take a spoon. I love this hummus beruti, is my weakness. I really love it. See? You also make and enjoy hummus beruti. Thank you.